everyone, it's Ashley Church from the Ike family of dealerships, Ike Honda and Volkswagen of Marion, and we are super excited today to be presenting this check for our giveaway to Tom from Marion Medical Mission, and they build fresh water wells in Africa. So can you tell us a little bit about what you guys do, Tom?
What we do is we've got a number of people. We've got 4 programs in Africa, one in Zambia, one in Tanzania, and 2 in Malawi, Africa. Last year we built 3,140 wells.
Wow.
Last year.
3,140 wells last year.
And how many people did that serve?
Oh, Tom, I know it's a big number.
Almost 400,000.
Just last year alone.
Last year.
400,000 people in Africa have got freshwater wells based off of, this Tom's great work, and right here in Marion, they're serving the world. And but we're very excited to make this donation to you. We understand that it costs you about $400 per freshwater well.
$450.
$450. So we've almost got 2 wells funded for them next year, and this year. So
we're not going to let COVID-19 stop us.
Not going to let COVID stop us. We appreciate you. We appreciate everything you do and everything you do for the Marion community and around the world. And the Ike family of dealerships is really excited to present you with this. That our customers have voted on you guys and decided that they want to be a part of it as well. So
get them ready. God bless. Thank you.
God bless, and thank you guys so much, all of our customers who put their tokens in and wanted to support Marion Medical Mission. So again, thanks to Tom, thanks to everything that he does, and we'll see you soon with another charity that we're going to be supporting.